I do have a bear on my desk. Everybody loves my name. Everybody thinks it's a nickname, and it's not. So I've heard all things from, oh, are you a teddy bear? Are you a grizzly bear?
Sarah Bear's name is easy to remember, but it's her passion that gets her noticed.
I always had an idea of wanting to help people who I thought needed it, maybe didn't have a voice, weren't being heard. I really wanted to get into a profession where I thought I could make a difference in somebody's life.
Sarah started her career by giving a significant amount of time to the Innocence Project, helping to free people from jail who had been falsely convicted.
And the best way I describe it is it's almost working on a cold case backwards. So you're trying to find new evidence. Is there DNA evidence? Is there witness recants? Is there something that went awry with the prosecutor, trying to prove that this person is innocent?
Sarah worked on a team that actually freed a prisoner.
It's this mutual relationship where you're helping somebody, but in return you get so much more for it. So it made the job not feel like a job.
Time with the Innocence Project helps Sarah be a better guide for her family law clients.
Helps with perspective. I think it helps us control our cases, reach settlements, and make better decisions for everybody. Nobody plans to have a divorce. Nobody plans to have an argument with their significant other where, they have a child and they had this whole life plan for the children as a family, and now it's separated. But being able to help them see the light at the end of the tunnel and reach some agreement and get through a very traumatic situation, I find rewarding.
Sarah believes guiding her clients through a divorce successfully requires more than just practicing law.
Really explaining to them the process. There's no perfect. It's going to be different, but change doesn't always have to be bad. And helping them transition that way and making sure they have services around them. And I like that our firm also stresses other services that our clients can get into, therapy, making sure you have a support group, because this isn't an easy thing to do. And we want to make sure that you are a well-rounded person when you leave us.
Many people who walk through her door make the same mistake.
But allowing your anger to fuel a decision, I think, is never in your best interest. I usually never let my clients, if I can feel that they're so emotionally charged, make a decision. I always want them to sleep on it. And I always try to remind them that you might be angry, but this is not going to be beneficial. Your children can pick up on your anger, or you're being short-sighted. Yes, you got him, that probably felt good, but how much did it cost you? And I often tell clients, do you want to pay to be right, or would you like to be done? And I think it's really important to do cost-benefit analysis, because when people are angry, they're not thinking about long-term and how much it could cost to go down this path, and then the emotional tolls it takes on your life. So I think that's the biggest thing.
Sarah sees herself at Moore, Schulman Moore for years to come, because this firm and its people are different.
And we do feel like a family. We genuinely care about our clients, but we also care about each other.
The iconic bear on her desk and the well-dressed version of her dog on the wall, all gifts from her coworkers.
You're not dreading coming into the office. You like coming into the office because, yes, you get your work done, but you like the people you work for. I love our attorneys down to our support staff. And it just gives you such a better environment that I think our clients realize when they come in as well. They can feel that, and so it's more of a comfortable place for them to be.
An environment that Sarah says frees her to do what she feels is her life's work.
That sounds simple, maybe even silly to certain people, but it really means a lot to me. I want to help you. And if I think something is wrong, I have a moral compass where that makes me just want to fight for you harder.